If Chrome is showing the ERR blocked by client error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This error usually happens when a browser extension, ad blocker, privacy tool, or cached data blocks part of a web page from loading properly. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, we'll test the page in Incognito mode. Incognito mode disables most extensions by default, which makes it one of the fastest ways to check whether an extension is causing the problem. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. A new Incognito window will open. Now paste the same website URL into the address bar and press Enter. If the page loads normally in Incognito mode, that is a strong sign that one of your extensions is blocking it in your regular browser window. If the site works in Incognito, go back to your normal Chrome window and start disabling extensions one by one. This helps you identify the exact tool causing the issue. To do that, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, go to Extensions, and then open Manage Extensions. You'll see a list of all your installed extensions. Turn one off, refresh the page, and check whether the error is gone. If it is still there, turn that extension back on and disable the next one. Repeat this process until you find the extension responsible. Now let's move to the next fix, which is clearing Chrome cache and browsing data. Sometimes, even after an extension is turned off, old cached files can still interfere with how a page loads. To clear them, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or Command Shift and Delete on Mac. This opens Chrome's Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to all time and make sure you check the box for cached images and files. If you want, you can also clear cookies and other browsing data, but for this issue, cache is usually the most important one. Then click Clear Data. After that, reload the web page and see if the error is fixed. If the issue is still happening, check whether you have ad blocking software or a VPN running outside of Chrome. Sometimes the problem is not only a Chrome extension. Desktop ad blockers, antivirus web shields, DNS filters, or VPN privacy features can also block requests and trigger ERR blocked by client. Temporarily disable any of those tools and try loading the page again. If the page starts working, you've found the cause. In that case, you may need to whitelist the website or adjust the settings in that app. Next, let's focus on disabling ad blockers and privacy extensions inside Chrome, because this is one of the most common causes of the error. Extensions like uBlock Origin, AdBlock, Ghostery, and other privacy-focused tools can block scripts, images, or domains that a website needs in order to function. Click the three dots in the top right corner again, go to Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. Find your ad blocker or privacy extension and toggle it off, then refresh the web page. If the page loads correctly, that extension was the problem. You can keep it disabled for that website or add the site to the extension's allow list. After trying those steps, test the web page again in a normal Chrome window. In most cases, one of those fixes will solve the issue quickly. The best order to follow is Incognito mode first, then extension testing, then clearing cache, and finally checking outside software like VPNs or desktop blockers. That way, you can narrow down the problem without changing too many settings at once. And that's it. You now know how to fix Chrome error ERR blocked by client using simple, safe troubleshooting steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.